Let's walk through the solution that I put together for the fitness tracker business model canvas. Let's start by talking about our customer segments. This product is really for people who want to improve their fitness. Specifically, we're going to focus on people with goals around weight loss or training to compete in a competition, like a marathon. Now that we've identified our customer, let's talk a little bit about the value proposition for this product. The core value prop is to help users improve and track their fitness over time. Specifically, we can help users improve their fitness by connecting them to a virtual trainer who can help to customize workout plans. And we're also going to create a feature that allows users to track and share their progress with friends. Since this is going to be an app and not a piece of hardware, the key activity to build this product is software development. But for key resources, we'll also need to make sure that we have a fitness specialist on the team who can help us to understand the science behind different types of exercises in order to achieve certain fitness goals. And for key partners, we'll need to include fitness trainers who will be matched to paying users in order to provide tailored coaching. But thinking through all this, there's also an opportunity to partner with gyms, where you could potentially be matched with a trainer at your local gym. Additionally, there's also the potential to build an integration with some exercise machine manufacturers. This would make it much easier for users to capture their workout data directly from the machine. So looking at the things that we have so far on the left side, we can see that there's a fixed cost for the people who are developing the product, as well as a variable cost based on the number of trainers and partnerships and usage. So going back to our customers, we're going to build a relationship with them by sending out a weekly progress summary. This summary will highlight the progress that they've made towards reaching their own specific goals. And in terms of getting our product to users, there's 3 main channels that I've thought of. Users can directly download the app from our website. They also could potentially be invited to the app by a friend, either from receiving shared progress or by being invited to a challenge to see who could reach a goal first. And lastly, if we end up partnering with gyms, we can also use those gyms as a channel to acquire new users. And lastly, in terms of generating revenue streams, the product will have a free tier that's supported by ads, as well as a paid subscription, which is required to unlock individualized coaching from a trainer. Now that I shared the business model canvas that I created for the fitness tracker, take a few minutes and think about how it compares to the one that you created.